guys, welcome to my channel Your Kitchen, Your Rule. We are at sister's home and meet my sister Maidi Jigna.
Hello everyone.
Well, summer has started and we are going to make 4 type of mocktails for all the family members and for the bachcha parties. So Di, what we are going to make?
Yes, we are going to make Pink Lady, Pinacolada, Aqua Blast and Blackcurrant Mojito.
Wow! So before we start, please consider to subscribe my channel and hit the bell. And if you like the recipe, please give it a thumbs up and also comment in the comment section below. And don't forget to follow me on Insta and Facebook. So let's start. To make Pink Lady, add strawberry crush in a mixie jar. Add vanilla ice cream scoops and chilled Sprite. Don't use soda, otherwise the taste will be changed. Only Sprite works best in mocktails. Now blend everything. You can add ice cubes if you wish to. Now serve it in a glass. It's so satisfying and a must-try recipe for summer. Especially kids will love this. To make Pinacolada mocktail, add Pinacolada syrup in a mixie jar. Add vanilla ice cream and Sprite. Now mix and serve. It's very refreshing drink and it's all-time hit. So, a must-try mocktail this summer. Enjoy! To make blackcurrant mojito, take blackcurrant syrup in a jar. Now add fresh mint leaves and lemon halves. Total freshness. Now with the help of a wooden pestle, crush the mint leaves and lemon veggies. Not much, just a couple of minutes. Be careful, we don't want to break the jar. I am using rolling pin here. You can use whatever you have made up of wood. Now lots of ice and then top it up with soda. Now in this case not Sprite but soda. Well, just in case you don't have blackcurrant syrup, skip it. Rest procedure is same. Just add powdered sugar and some salt instead. And you don't require blackcurrant syrup. This is among the most traditional drinks and nothing can beat its freshness. Must try. To make Blue Lagoon mocktail, take blue Curacao syrup in a glass. Blue Curacao syrup is easily available in the market. You can get it everywhere. Now add Sprite and lemon juice. And ice cubes. And it's ready in no time. It is the most quick mocktail. You can make it in no time when the guest arrives. Enjoy! I hope you will love all these 4 mocktails. Do try them and do let me know in the comment section below. And if you like them, give it a thumbs up and also consider to subscribe and click the bell. And I will see you soon with another recipe next week. Till then, bye!